Welcome everyone! You might see people playing with this default knife here, yet you have no idea how to set it. And it's not obvious, but once you see the steps, it will be very obvious. So from the homepage of Black Ops 2 Multiplayer, we'll first head into Public Match, and then we're going to head into Create a Class. So just click on any class with X to select it. And if I just head into the specials here, you have crossbow and ballistic knife. That is not the default knife. Ballistic knife, crossbow, they are not the default knife. And actually none of it is showing here. Well, how it works is if you have, let's just remove this. If you have a secondary equipped, you just need to remove it. So to remove a secondary, just click on the button that shows at the bottom. So for me, it's the square. And when you have no secondary equipped, then it's going to load you in with that default knife. And I can just show that right now. So I'm just going to do a quick public match, and that's going to prove it. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.